This viewer says, if you're buying a house and you can't afford the fridge, I get it. That house is expensive and you'd think another $2,000 or $3,000 is no big deal. But in fact, it is. Getting a house with the refrigerator, the washer, and the dryer can really help. There are so many expenses when you move in. When I bought the current house that I'm living in, I replaced the pump in the pool and did a bunch of painting and installation of a wall unit. The sellers did take the washer and dryer, but I was able to purchase one, no big deal. Personally, I love to get a new washer and dryer when I move in and not get somebody else's. Comment below. Did you buy a house with a washer, dryer, and refrigerator? Or did you have to buy that when you moved in?